Hello, everyone. My name is Brandon Thomas. I am 21 and I live in St. Petersburg, Florida. I love combat sports and movies, so today I will be covering the evolution of martial arts films, the political influences, and the advancements in technology that pushed the genre to new heights. The beginning of the martial arts genre started in China in the early 1920s. Novels served as the inspiration for the films. Between 1949 and 1959, at least 62 Wong Fei Hong films were produced. They came out of one of the first leading studios for the martial arts genre, the Shaw Brothers Studio. The films always needed a hero, the key element in the formula. Through 1920 and 1929, the film industry experienced the coming of sound. This is the same period around martial arts scenes hit the market, now having sound and even colored frames. The Vitaphone was a breakthrough in technology at the time. Also, thanks to lightweight and portable equipment available between the 1950s and the 1960s, it was easier for a big production like a martial arts film. During the 1930s, martial arts films were attempted to be banned by the Kuomintang government. The film companies at the time simply relocated to Hong Kong where the ban did not apply. The real fuel behind martial arts films were the stars. The true story of Wong Fei Hong in 1949 featured an early star, Kwan Ta-hing. Stars like Bruce Lee, Jackie Chan, and Jet Li soon came after. Hollywood was blown away when Bruce Lee, a true genuine actor/martial artist, starred in films during the 1970s. Through the 1920s to 1980, it was a great time for martial arts films, along with other genres. It was a learning process, and film instructors not only arranged fight scenes, but carefully planned out shots. Now, who wants to watch Enter the Dragon?